Hey everybody, got another unboxing video, and today what I received in the mail via UPS is a Finnish m28 that I purchased off of GunBroker about a week ago. And what happened was I was watching some YouTube videos about Mosin Negant's, this one particular channel. I forget the name of the channel, but anyway, he had mentioned something about somebody selling a bunch of Finnish m28 on GunBroker. Not an auction, just to buy it now price, $850. I thought, being one of the more sought after of the Mosins, one that I don't have, I thought I'd go ahead and get one. I think he had like 50 of them for sale. There were only like 8 left, I think, by the time I got to it. But anyway, this is what I got in the mail. Well, this is what UPS delivered today. So I'm wondering, is this rifle damaged? I hope not. We'll see. It's going to be real easy to unbox. All we got to do is just take this off. I had, a number of years ago, I had a rifle delivered just like this, and the stock was broken. That was through Classic. Normally they ship a lot better. I like the company. I don't have a problem with them, but they actually gave me, funded a replacement stock for it. It was a Mosin too, actually. So here it is. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. I have a number of Mosin Negants, but none Finnish. I've always wanted to have a Finnish. I remember when they would sell the M29s on is it the M29? On GunBroker years ago for like $399. Now they go for like $1,200 to $1,500. They've really gone up in price, so I figured before these go up anymore, I better get one. And, I'm kind of excited about seeing what we have here. I believe only about, some estimates, 24 to 28,000 of these were actually made. Which makes it very collectible and rare. And they were made for the Finnish Civil Guard, and a lot nicer looking than the pictures showed. The pictures weren't that good on GunBroker. And when I ordered this, I thought it was, you place an order and you get whatever they give you, and then I found out he had a whole bunch of other ones that were actually posted being sold individually. But I think, I got picked a good one. Looking at all the other ones after ordering this one, this is nice. Yeah. The upper handguard is a little mismatched, but not too bad. It looked worse on the pictures. You can see it is a little mismatched. What I forgot to do, I forgot to turn the light on here. Let's turn some light on. Some technical difficulties. Let's get this back. I can take a better look at it. Yeah, these were adopted by the Civil Guard, which was created in 1918 and then disbanded in 1944. There are about 24,420 of them made, supposedly. back in 1934. They're all, you know, all of these Finnish Mosins have the Russian Mosin receiver, but they created their own barrel. The sight is different, it's a much better sight. The stock is beefier, much better finish on the stock. The barrel is actually a floating barrel, improving accuracy. The sight is much improved as well, up to 2,000 meters. And so there are a lot of improvements that were made. Let's go ahead and clear this. Looks good. Yeah, this is nice. I'm pretty happy with this. Let's take a closer look. I'll have to check to see how much of it is matching. You can see the sight is a much better sight, and it's actually adjustable, the front sight, for windage. Well, I'm very pleased that it wasn't damaged in shipping. I'm lucky. The way the box looked, I was certain that something was broken. Yeah, really nice rifle. I'm looking forward to shooting this. Some of the other differences are the trigger. That's a big thing. The trigger is a 3-pound trigger, 2-stage. It's more in line with what a target rifle would have as a trigger. So there you have it. This is my new Mosin to add to the collection, and I'm going to go ahead and clean it up, and eventually I will be posting a video of me shooting it. So there you have it, and thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Have a great night.